In this video, you are going to learn 3 ways that have nothing to do with your subject lines, but helps get your emails open and will increase your open rates. I'm Jason Resnick of NurtureKit, NurtureKit.co, and even though that open rates are becoming more and more of a fuzzy metric, especially with platforms that are much more privacy focused, as well as email clients and devices that we use become more privacy focused, you're going to need to lean on other metrics, click rates, replies, even sales, yes, sales, to define whether or not your emails are successful or not. However, all of that starts with the open. So you want to be able to not just use subject lines, but other ways, which I'm going to describe here in a minute, 3 to be precise, to help get those opens. Now, the first one we're going to talk about is your from name. When you sign up with a ConvertKit account, your from name is going to be your email address. And that is one of the first things that you want to change, because here's the thing. Email is a person-to-person communication. And if someone sees an email address landing in their inbox, they may think that I've never talked with this person before. I don't even know who this person is, right? And they may just bypass you, delete it, report it as spam, and so on and so forth. So the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is change your from name to your actual name. And it's really simple to do. You go into your account and go over into your account navigation item and click on email. And then you're going to see from name in the email settings. You click this little pencil icon and you can see that I've already changed it to my own name, but you would just go ahead and type in the name there. Now, if your name doesn't really resonate with someone, your subscribers, then you can go ahead and even add in your company name. And don't forget to click that green check mark. So critical. That saves it in, it locks it in, click Save Settings, and you're on your way. The second is preview text. And I still see so many people and get so many emails that do not leverage this attribute and this asset to your email marketing. It is the text that sits alongside of your subject line in someone's inbox before they decide to click and open that email. It does not show up anywhere else in your emails, and really there is no excuse not to use it. It's there, and it's so simple to use, especially in ConvertKit, which I'll link up a video above where you can go check out how to put them right into your broadcasts and your sequences. As a pro tip is that if you're on the fence and you're not sure which subject line to use, throw one into the subject line and the other into preview text. Plain and simple. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. So the third thing that I want to talk about is the selected opt-out. Now, you may say,
well, I don't understand why that is a thing. I don't want anybody to unsubscribe and opt out. And how is that going to help my open rates?
Well, here's the thing. Giving your subscribers more options allows them the control of their own inbox. Remember, it's a personal space. When somebody gave you their email address, they trusted you enough to send them things that were relevant to them, solutions that were relevant to them, and value that was relevant to them. So they want to make sure that, well, they're getting value from you, but also being able to be conscious enough that if it's overwhelming for them, they can throttle things back. So this is definitely something that you want to use when you run promotions during the holiday times, during Black Fridays and Cyber Mondays, or during launches. You want to give them the option to say, you know what, not right now. Because if you are sending over the course of 5 days, 7 emails, that's a lot of emails to someone that might be used to your once a week emails, right? And if they're just not going to buy, let them opt out of that. And I'll link up a video above that dives deep and shows you step by step how to do this. There is an art and science to it where you want to make sure that you're giving them the options, and it is their ability to say, yeah, not right now, but I still want to get all of your emails. Okay. So there you have it. While subject lines are so important in getting your emails open, there are other aspects in and around your email that also will help your open rates long term. If this was helpful, smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel and you like videos just like this, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get notified the next time a video drops. When you treat your email list like humans, amazing transformations happen.